Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify refund automation with Shopify and AfterShip easy tutorials. To verify refund automation with Shopify and AfterShip, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to your Shopify admin panel. In the left sidebar, click on the Apps section. Locate and select the AfterShip app from your installed apps list. Once AfterShip is open, go to the Settings tab. In the settings, find the Refund Automation option. Ensure this feature is enabled for your store. Next, proceed to set up your refund policies. Define the conditions under which refunds can be processed automatically. Save these settings to confirm your specifications. Now, return to the main AfterShip dashboard. Click on Tracking to view your recent shipments. Select a recent order that you want to test the refund automation with. Review the order details to ensure it meets your refund criteria. If eligible, initiate the refund process manually to check the integration. Observe how AfterShip processes the refund automatically. Check your Shopify admin to verify that the refund has been recorded. Monitor your email notifications for updates on the refund status. Test this process with a few more orders to ensure consistency. Feel free to consult AfterShip support for any troubleshooting. Once verification is complete, document your findings for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.